How to log into Google Chat. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you access your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's delve right into the procedure. To comments, ensure that you have successfully installed the Google Chat application on your respective device from the Play Store. Subsequently, launch the application and you will be directed to a screen resembling Get Started. Proceed by selecting the Get Started option, and at this juncture, you will encounter a list showcasing all the Gmail accounts currently active on your device. Simply utilize your Gmail credentials to access Google Chat, and you have the flexibility to choose any Gmail account from the provided list. Alternatively, if you wish to incorporate a new account, select Add another account. Proceed by selecting Continue, input your email and password details, and finalize the login process for the Google Chat. Nevertheless, for the present moment, I shall opt for this particular Gmail account to access my Google Chat account. All that is required is to select the specific Gmail account and select Done. Consequently, you will observe that I have successfully logged into my Google Chat account, and this elucidates the uncomplicated method to access your Google Chat account. If you desire to transition to an alternative account, tap on the profile icon situated at the top right corner of the screen, select the Add Another Account option in the bottom, and proceed by selecting Continue. Input the email address and proceed with the subsequent steps. If you have found this tutorial beneficial, kindly ensure to express your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel.